Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. I'm Nicholas, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to copy cells without a formula. If you work with spreadsheets and formulas in Excel, you'll know that copying formulas can sometimes be very challenging. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to make this process easier and save time when working with spreadsheets. Ready to get started? Last time we showed you how to calculate age in Excel using your date of birth. You can also find a link to the video in the video description. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to copy and paste the contents of a cell as values. This procedure allows you to copy and paste any values from any formula in the spreadsheet. First, we will demonstrate how Excel works with copied formulas. Let's copy this cell. We'll paste it in here. The values we wanted are not there. We just have some number and a formula that's been changed. So how do we copy the values? Let's do it. We select the cells that contain the values and we want to copy them. For us, these are the cells that contain the already calculated age. Right-click. A menu of options will appear. We select the copy option. We select and click where we want to paste the values. Right-click. The menu will appear again. Click on the Paste Special option. Select the Values option. Well done. The formulas from the selected cells have been copied to us. There is no longer any formula in the target cell, just the text itself. This is what we wanted. Awesome. This procedure will save you a lot of time and improve your Excel skills. But was it easy? If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via a like or comment. Do you want to learn how to work better with Excel? If yes, then in that case don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next video.